Hey everybody, today we're going to work on installing some brake cooling ducts and the hoses. Got myself a piece of 3-inch exhaust tube here. It's a short piece. I'm going to be cutting it in half, but basically it's going to kind of sit right down in here. Have to kind of contour it to make it fit. Weld on a little tab to bolt it on. The hose will come up through here and right into here. So I'm just going to give myself a little reference line. And it's over to the chop saw and we'll cut it in half. Okay, I've got them cut. See what it looks like there. It's a rough form. And if you can see that, it's going to sit right in there, kind of like that. There's a, probably can't see it, but there's a little threaded hole right here in this gusset. So I'll have to weld a tab on the inside of this and probably notch the outside so I can get a Allen bolt in there and bolt it in right like that. Okay, as you can see, I've cut a notch in the outer circumference of my duct. I bent it in, and then I welded this little plate, flat plate on there. This little plate will eventually have the hole that the bolt goes through and holds it in right there. So I've got it tacked in. Now I got to fill in these holes, round it up, drill a hole, test fit it. Okay, here it is, all welded up. I know it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's strong, it's functional, it'll get the job done. Okay, let's bolt it on there. Just got a temporary grade 5 bolt for right now. Got to get some grade 8 stuff. Okay, there it is. Hope you can see it. Now let's run a hose in there and see what it looks like. See if I got a hose clamp the right size. Pop the wheel off, make it a little easier to tighten up that hose clamp. Okay, it clears everything. Now we just kind of gotta figure out where we need to put it. Just going to temporarily wire tie it to this chassis tube right here. And we'll put it through its paces, turn the wheel and stuff to see how it looks. Okay, I've got the suspension jacked up to ride height right now. It's not hanging. Turn the wheel. She rubs there a little bit. So we're going to have to figure out how to tuck it down underneath like that. No problem there. So we'll probably have to wire tie it down the chassis about right here, I think. I'm going to pop this one, the one that I just put on there loose. Okay, there's the wheel turned all the way. No rubbing on the hose, that's good. A little tight though. I need to work a little more sloth into here. Okay. Looks good there. Looks good there. Okay, we'll do the same thing to the other side. Mount these hoses down a little more permanently. And then we'll route them through the front air duct. Okay, there they are. Installed on the inside of the car. Strapped down. And you can see them stick the hose. I just looped it around. It's sticking out the front. Now I've got to cut it and mount it to the air dam. Okay, I'll just simply pop rivet these things in and into the air dam. Alright, so when I pop this in, I'm going to use a big washer to kind of spread out the load so hopefully it doesn't rip through the tubing of the brake duct. Alright, that looks good. Let's do the other side. Okay, there it is. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.